Welcome to Word Is It? Ravioli. Ravioli.
Ravioli. Ravioli.
Ravioli consist of a wrapping made of egg pasta that can be filled with various ingredients like meat, ricotta cheese and vegetables. Usually served in broth or with a sauce. They originated as a traditional food in Italian cuisine. Ravioli are commonly square, though other forms are also used, including circular and semicircular. Ravioli are an essential part of the Italian culinary tradition, so much so that each region has its own recipe. Regardless of the shape, it can differentiate as agnolotti, anolini, and tortellini. Ravioli. Ravioli.
Ravioli. Ravioli.